Welcome everyone, here is how you add screen capture to your iPhone. Keep in mind this is screen recording and that's what I'll be using for the rest of this video. So the first step is you need to activate the screen recorder. You do this by opening up the settings app. From here you're going to scroll all the way down until you see Control Center. From here I have the screen recording toggle enabled, but for you will need to scroll all the way down, find screen recording, tap on the plus, and now screen recording is enabled. So if your iPhone does not have a home button like mine, you're going to slide down from the far right hand side of the screen. If your iPhone does have a home button, you're going to slide up from the bottom. You're then going to find this little circle, okay, long press on it, and now we see screen recording. So from here you can turn on or off the microphone. The microphone will just pick up you speaking, okay, so if you don't plan on speaking, turn that off. And make sure sound is on and that the silent mode is off, so that the audio, system sounds, etc. will be picked up. So long press again, make sure photos is selected, tap on start recording, you have a countdown, and when the countdown ends you're either going to see a red oval or a full red bar at the top of the screen. So every action you do is being recorded right now, okay? Opening up apps, etc. all will be recorded. And when you're ready to stop the recording, you either tap on the red dot. If the red dot isn't showing up, then activate this menu again, which is called Control Center. You should see this here, just tap on that. And now you can see the screen recording video has been saved to photos. If you did a long recording, that may take up to 2 minutes for the pop-up to show up, so keep that in mind. Also before recording, make sure that you go to Settings, General, and About. And just double check that your storage is more than 5 gigs available, otherwise the recording may corrupt because of a lack of storage. So let's open up the Photos app, and here we go, here is the recording in question. So it's playing right now, and eventually you should see swipes on the screen, stuff like that. That's not me doing that, that is the actual recorder. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.